Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe guys and you need to remove or replace the AC compressor control valve. If that valve does not work, your AC will not work guys, and that valve is super important. It actually activates your compressor because you don't have clutch. This is the only thing that turns on and off the compressor, and it does it through a very complicated procedure guys, so it can vary the pressure. That way you don't have engine jerk. At highway speeds it can reduce the pressure, so actually it can actually save on fuel as well. So we will explain how to do that today. You don't need to remove the engine to do that. You will need to in some cases you may not even need to remove the AC compressor. You might be able to do it in place, but it's not very convenient guys, and we have the AC compressor removed so we can show with great detail how to do that. In addition, we'll be making hundreds of videos guys that can potentially save you thousands of dollars. That's why we have the engine out, and with the engine being out we can show you everything with a great detail. So let's explain how to do that now. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, this is the engine, and before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So every time guys you remove that valve, you need to make sure the AC system doesn't have any pressure. Otherwise everything will come out. It's dangerous. It can spray in your eyes, blind you, it can hurt you. So you want to avoid that. Take it to an AC shop. If you don't have the machine, they hook up the machine and they suck all the freon out of the system. It's called vacuuming guys, because otherwise if you release it in the atmosphere, what will happen, you kill the atmosphere and you can get a huge fine for that. So don't do it. Now before we start guys, the AC compressor is right there. I want to share with you, many of you constantly ask me about a diagnostic tool that we recommend. This is the one right here. I'll put the link in the description of the video below guys. It works on any car you can think of and it supports all system functions, so check it out guys. If you're on the market for one, you will not be guys disappointed. Many things can cause your AC compressor not to work, and one of them could be an AC pressure switch that you can simply test with that computer as well. And we have a video that explains the top 5 why AC does not work. Now you don't have a clutch guys, clutchless AC compressor. Check it out. No wires, nothing coming out, no clutch. So what operates the compressor? That compressor control valve right here. Now in order to remove it, make sure the system is completely empty. We have our AC compressor out, so we have no pressure. You need to get the pliers to remove that ring, lock ring here. Snap ring, I think they call them snap rings. So be careful, those things can fly in your eyes guys. It came out, perfect. Now that thing could be really stuck to the point that you may have really hard time guys pulling that thing out. So a little bit of penetrating spray we're going to spray, WD-40. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Careful not to get in the compressor itself, but that thing makes your life much easier guys, because otherwise that thing could be so stuck that you may have a really hard time actually removing it. So let's see if we will be able to gently pull it out. 1 second, I need to get a screwdriver and go on this side at the same time, 2 of us to go at the same time, so that might help actually. Let's try that. Or with pliers, let's not go with pliers because you can see how it spins. So you cannot grab it with the pliers because it's turning guys, and the way it's turning, it can actually perfect. You don't want to damage it if it's still good, because we have a special video how to test AC AC pressure valve as well on our channel. Okay. That's unbelievable. It still has seals. Now we can grab it on top, just on top here, and we can pull it out. One of the seals fell off. Okay, that's on top, and that's a check control valve, compressor valve right here, guys. This is what's controlling everything. Without it, okay, without having a working one, it's not going to activate your compressor and it will not work. If you need to buy one for a really good price and quick shipping as well, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, so please guys check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Make sure you don't contaminate anything on the inside and just replace it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.